Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use VPN in OmeTV for Android. So here, you can try to open your Play Store first and try to find the OmeTV. Here you can update the app first, or if you don't have, you can try to install this app. This is a free app. So here, after you install on your system, you can open and try to sign in with your account. Here, in order to change your region, change your location or server, you can click or tap the here. For example, my base country, I choose Germany, and you can try to change your base country to the country that provided by this OmeTV. So sometimes when you change the location manually with this built-in option, um, you cannot precisely get the person from that country that you choose. You jump back or you go back to your default country. For example, if you choose German, or let's say Asia here, when you change or when you start, you will be back to the default. Let's say this built-in option, change country option, is not precise. So in order to help you get precise location, get 100 not 100%, but let's say get a more accuracy, you have to use VPN. So you can close the OmeTV first and try to find the VPN app on Play Store. So there are a ton of VPN out there. So here, for example, like Turbo VPN, Stat Thunder VPN, Secure VPN, and so on. Try to download with the most user, like 100 million user. With this Turbo VPN, you can download, install it for free, and you can change the servers. You get global, fast, and secure servers here. So after you install, you set the server based on your preferences. Now you can reopen the CapCut and try to use the same server that you use in VPN. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.